Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to resize image to a specific size in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. In this tutorial, I will use a presentation. And a presentation page is created. Next, we can go to File folder to add image. This is an image we created in last tutorial. We changed the blue dress to red dress. If you want to see how to make it, you can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I select one of the images and click and drag into Canva to import the image. Next, we can select the image and click and drag to resize it. If you want to resize it to a specific size, you can select the image and then go to Position and then go to Advanced. We can find width and type the value here. For example, I type 1500. But we can see that this is not in proportion. I press Ctrl Z to undo it. And then if you want to keep it in proportion, we can lock it by the ratio. So we can do it again. Type 1500 pixels. So we can scale it in specific size in proportion. So this is how we can resize image to a specific size in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.